Welcome to a bunch of tutorials on how to use 2D design. So the first thing we're going to do is open up 2D design. But before we do that, we're going to do a quick step to make sure that this 2D design is the right size when we open it up. So come across to your 2D design icon on your desktop, right click, and then we're going to go down to properties. So on your mouse, on your computer mouse, when I talk about a right click, let's have a look at a computer mouse. Maybe you should write computer mouse. Okay, computer mouse. Now, when we right click with a computer mouse, what you need to actually do is you've got a number of buttons on your mouse. Let's have a top view just here. And you've got a left click and you've got a right click. That right click will open up other menus when you click that one down. You can also do it on a right click on a pad, on a pad on your computer, like your work pad. You can right click on that as well. So we right click in this case on the 2D design and we go properties. Then from there, we're going to come across and select on compatibility. Select override DPI scaling and then select system and then apply and OK. Now that's just a little thing that we need to do when we open it up for the first time if you've got a Microsoft Surface. If you don't have a Microsoft Surface, you probably don't need to do that. So what that does, if you get these really small icons up here, it just enlarges them. All right, 2D design, let's have a look. Well, we've got a drawing palette over here. And this is what we're going to be using a vast majority of the time. And here's our drawing screen that we're going to be drawing in. And this is currently set to A3, so that's quite big, but we're just going to be drawing in this area. Over here we have this other palette here, and one thing that I'm going to make sure that you select on is this one, which is just called gridlock. That needs to be pressed down. And we're going to start the drawing process. Well, we've got a whole bunch of drawing tools for you to use to create your design. Let's click on the line tool to start with. But if I hold my left button mouse click down, which is this one just here, for a little bit longer, I get this fly out menu. And so I can use this one, which is draw a series of connected lines. So let's go into that one first. I held my mouse down for longer and it came out. And you can see that I've got like a crosshairs at the moment and it's snapping to a grid. Now this is a 10 by 10 grid. That's 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters. So I'm going to draw a line here, select with my left mouse. I'm not dragging, I'm just clicking and moving my mouse, and I click again and I can click again and I can click again. And I can actually start drawing a 5-pointed star. Now, how do I finish my line off if I've done that one? Well, with my mouse, let's go back to it, I right click. So I right click with my mouse, so I right click on got a midgie flying around, got it, okay. I can right click to get rid of it. All right, it snaps to this grid, which is quite nice. Let's draw some other shapes. We're gonna go circle. I've got another midgie, you've got to be kidding me. I'm gonna kill it. Okay, got it. All right, so let's have a look at some other ones. We're going to go circle by center. We can draw a circle out. Let's just have a go at drawing a whole bunch of different types of shapes. This one's drawn to 50 millimeters and bang, it draws it out, and then click again to do things. So let's just have a go at drawing a whole bunch of different shapes. Look at this, we've got arc. So we select 1, 2, and an arc is drawn out. So here's an opportunity for you just to experiment with a whole bunch of different shapes and just clicking and moving around. Right click to finish. When you're drawing stuff, let's have fun. Let's look, oh man, crazy shapes. So we're going to I want you to spend 5 minutes just experimenting and drawing a whole bunch of different shapes in this area. So I'm just going to pause this video while you fill up the page with shapes and experiment.